AI will replace humans. AI is thinking. AI is dangerous. We have all heard these statements. AI is powerful, but it's also misunderstood. In this episode of Demystifying LLMs, we'll break down the most common myths about AI and large language models. First myth: AI thinks like humans. AI does not think, feel, or understand like humans. It predicts words based on patterns. It doesn't have awareness or intent. An AI can sound confident and still be wrong. That's because it's optimizing for language, not truth or reasoning. Second myth: AI understands meaning. AI recognizes language patterns, not meanings. It doesn't know what words mean, only how they're used together. Third myth: AI has opinions. AI doesn't have beliefs or opinions. It generates responses based on probability and training data, not personal views. Fourth myth: AI replaces everyone. AI automates tasks, not entire professions. Jobs change, tools evolve, but humans remain central. For example, AI assists teachers, programmers, and designers, but humans guide decisions, creativity, and responsibility. Myth 5: AI knows everything. AI knowledge is limited by its training data. It doesn't automatically know current events or new facts. Myth 6: AI is always correct. AI can hallucinate, producing incorrect or made-up information. That's why verification matters. Myth 7: AI is conscious. AI has no consciousness, emotions, or self-awareness. It doesn't want or decide anything. Myth 8: AI learns instantly. Most AI models do not learn from individual conversations. Training happens separately under controlled processes. These myths cause fear, misuse, and unrealistic expectations. Understanding AI properly supports responsible use. AI is a tool, powerful but limited, pattern-based, and guided by humans. To summarize, AI doesn't think, believe, or understand like humans. It assists, not replaces, human intelligence. You've now learned how LLMs work, how they're trained, and what they can and cannot do. Thanks for watching Demystifying LLMs. Stay curious.